So everyone keeps talking about these amenities that are at the landing, and I don't know about your opinion. I just don't know how I feel about them. I'm actually standing in the middle of the amenities right now. Well, one of the amenities. This is in a roundabout, and I don't know how I feel about that. Now, we're gonna end up seeing all of this. Now there's an amphitheater, there's a park, there's a dog park, and then of course, right on the other side of this roundabout is the pool, the fitness center, and everything there. I just don't know how I feel about it being in a roundabout, but you guys tell me what you think. So let's talk about items they have at the park in the roundabout. They got seesaws. It's way less fun when there's no one on the other side. They have a park for your littles and a park for your big kids too. And they also have a zip line. Or you can embrace your inner Spider-Man and climb on this. I genuinely don't know what these are for. Like, I don't know whether I'm supposed to climb through the holes of this. Like, is one supposed to like roll down? Like, do you just, I feel like that would hurt if I just like tucked and rolled. Oh God. Maybe that's how you use it. So here's what I think the actual plan is, that they're going to be hosting events in this field, maybe a small farmer's market for like local businesses in the neighborhood, while being able to have an eating out area over here. So I'm thinking like a food truck night might happen. So here's like the entertainment area. You have the chairs right there. If they do like a little concert or something like that, I don't really know. What do they end up doing? And then over here is where you can like eat in the shade for whatever they end up doing here. Because I'm sure this will be where their community events are. This is where they'll have their Easter egg hunts, I don't know, community nights out, community bingo, wine dine nights, I don't know. Whatever events the HOA comes up with, I think this is gonna be the hub of it, which again, is in a roundabout. I just can't get over that one. That one's interesting to me. And of course they thought of your furry kiddos too, while you have a bark park, both for big dogs and also little dogs. I love that they always think of them. I do wish there was more activities for them, especially because of how warm it is. Be nice for a little splash pad area for them would be a fun little addition. Neighborhood is still starting up. That's my idea. I trademark it and I get free access to your amenities because I came up with the landing. Thank you. This one is so unique for one of the amenity options that they do have here. There's an RV parking lot, like completely designated to the residents for their RV needs. Now I'm gonna verify, and I'll have it details in the comments, sharing if boats are included within this, because this would be completely game changing, because I do not know of any neighborhoods besides some of the older established ones that are offering this. So for a new neighborhood to be offering this is actually really cool. So I will give them that. I'll let them go about the roundabout thing because this is a really cool, what? I'm gonna let them go in regards to the roundabout situation because this is a really great incentive for living here in the landing if you have an RV, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they allow boats as well. Well, there you have it. Those are the amenities that are offered here at the Landing, and I'm curious, what is your opinion? Do you absolutely love them? Do you think there should be more zhuzh to it? Do you think there's more zhuzh coming? I don't know, but I'll keep you guys updated. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to get all the tea on St. Johns County and here in Northeast Florida. My name is Demi Judd. I'm a born and raised local, here to help you become a local in no time. And I do that by honestly giving you authentic feedback on what these neighborhoods feel like, what it's like to truly live here in St. Johns County, not only from a realtor's perspective, but as a mom and as a local. And so many things are changing with this area, and there's so many different neighborhoods to choose from. So maybe the Landing is not your cup of tea and you want more zhuzh for the neighborhood. Well, let's jump on a call, have a conversation, and find the perfect neighborhood and amenities for you. Until next time, my name is Demi Judd, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.